Welcome to the nice cars. In the ever-evolving world of automotive excellence, few names resonate with the sheer power, elegance, and innovation as Ferrari. As the torchbearer of high-performance luxury sports cars, Ferrari has consistently pushed the boundaries of engineering and design. With the introduction of the SF90 Stradale, Ferrari has not just kept pace with the future, it has leapt ahead. This groundbreaking model, Ferrari's first plug-in hybrid supercar, merges the ferocity of traditional combustion engines with the sophistication of electric power. In this comprehensive review, we delve into the intricate details of the SF90 Stradale, exploring how it seamlessly integrates hybrid technology with Ferrari's legendary performance. From its breathtaking design to its unparalleled engineering, the SF90 Stradale is more than a car. It is a bold statement of Ferrari's vision for the future. Join us as we uncover the essence of this modern masterpiece, a vehicle that redefines what it means to be a Ferrari in the 21st century. The Ferrari SF90 Stradale stands as a bold testament to Ferrari's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. Unveiled as Ferrari's first production plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the SF90 Stradale is not merely a car, it is a statement. Named to commemorate the 90th anniversary of the Scuderia Ferrari racing team, the SF90 Stradale embodies a synthesis of Ferrari's storied past and its innovative future. This essay delves into the SF90 Stradale's engineering marvels, design aesthetics, performance metrics, and its place within Ferrari's illustrious lineup. Engineering marvel. The heart and soul of the SF90 Stradale. At the core of the SF90 Stradale lies a sophisticated hybrid powertrain that combines a traditional internal combustion engine with 3 electric motors. The 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, an evolution of the one found in the Ferrari 488 Pista, produces a staggering 769 horsepower. Complementing this are 3 electric motors, 2 independent units at the front axle, and 1 integrated with the gearbox at the rear, adding an additional 217 horsepower. This configuration not only provides the SF90 Stradale with a combined output of 986 horsepower, but also enhances its handling and performance capabilities through advanced torque vectoring. The integration of the electric motors allows for several driving modes, managed via Ferrari's Emanatino dial. These modes range from fully electric e-drive to the full power of the hybrid performance mode. In e-drive mode, the SF90 Stradale can travel up to 16 miles purely on electric power, making it not just a high-performance machine but also relatively environmentally conscious. This versatility is a significant leap for Ferrari, demonstrating its ability to blend traditional performance with modern efficiency. A design masterpiece, the aesthetics of innovation. The design of the SF90 Stradale is a seamless fusion of form and function. Ferrari's design team, led by Flavio Manzoni, has created a car that is as striking to look at as it is aerodynamic. The SF90's silhouette is characterized by its low stance, aggressive front fascia, and a sleek, sculpted body that is designed to optimize airflow and reduce drag. One of the most notable features of the SF90 Stradale's design is its aerodynamics package, which includes active flaps and a rear spoiler that adjusts in real time to balance downforce and drag depending on driving conditions. This adaptive aerodynamics system, known as the shut-off gurney, plays a crucial role in enhancing the car's stability at high speeds and its overall performance on the track. Inside, the SF90 Stradale is equally impressive. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a 16-inch curved digital display that provides all the necessary information at a glance. Ferrari's traditional control layout has been modernized with touch-sensitive controls and a new steering wheel design that integrates all major functions. The materials used throughout the cabin, from the premium leather to the carbon fiber accents, reflect Ferrari's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. When it comes to performance, the SF90 Stradale sets new benchmarks not just for Ferrari, but for the automotive world at large. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour. These figures are a testament to the prowess of its hybrid powertrain and the sophisticated technology that governs its performance. The SF90 Stradale's handling is equally awe-inspiring. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and the electric motors at the front, The car offers unparalleled grip and agility. The torque vectoring system ensures that power is distributed efficiently to the wheels, allowing for precise cornering and stability even at high speeds. Ferrari's latest version of the side slip control system further enhances the driving experience, providing drivers with the confidence to push the car to its limits while maintaining control. The SF90 Stradale is not just another Ferrari, it is a car that redefines what a Ferrari can be. It represents a significant step forward in Ferrari's journey towards embracing hybrid technology without compromising on the brand's core values of performance, luxury, and exclusivity. Ferrari has historically been synonymous with naturally aspirated engines and a purist approach to driving. The introduction of a plug-in hybrid model marks a departure from this tradition, but it is a necessary evolution in the face of stringent emissions regulations and the automotive industry's shift towards electrification. The SF90 Stradale manages to strike a delicate balance, offering cutting-edge hybrid technology while still delivering the visceral driving experience that Ferrari enthusiasts cherish. In terms of market positioning, the SF90 Stradale stands as a flagship model, showcasing Ferrari's capabilities and setting the tone for future models. It competes with other hypercars like the Lamborghini Sián and the Porsche 918 Spider, but it also carves out its unique space with its blend of hybrid efficiency and Ferrari's trademark performance. Future prospects. SF90 Stradale is more than just a marvel of engineering and design. It is a glimpse into the future of Ferrari. As the automotive industry continues to evolve towards electrification, the lessons learned from the SF90 Stradale will undoubtedly influence Ferrari's future models. The integration of hybrid technology is likely to become a standard feature in Ferrari's lineup, allowing the brand to continue delivering exceptional performance while adhering to increasingly stringent environmental standards. Moreover, the success of the SF90 Stradale could pave the way for more advancements in electric and hybrid technologies within the Ferrari brand. Concepts such as full electric supercars and further integration of artificial intelligence and connectivity features could be on the horizon as Ferrari continues to innovate and adapt to changing market demands. Conclusion: the Ferrari SF90 Stradale is a landmark achievement in the world of high-performance vehicles. It blends Ferrari's rich heritage with the cutting-edge technology of the future, offering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and forward-thinking. The car's hybrid powertrain, innovative design, and exceptional performance make it a standout model in Ferrari's illustrious history. As Ferrari navigates the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century, the SF90 Stradale serves as a beacon of what is possible when tradition meets innovation.